Welcome back, everybody. If you saw 2 videos ago, I mentioned that we were going to get some fish delivered, and I was going to be out of town, so I was going to have to employ Brantley, his little brother there, and his mom to put some fish in. So I'll stick a video in here of them attempting to put the fish in the pond, and we'll see how the old 4-year-old cameraman there did. But anyway, we put 150, we call them bluegill, they referred to them as brim. We put 25 largemouth bass, we put 2 grass carp, and then we put 2 pounds of fathead minnows in. So we'll probably, next spring, we'll hit them with the minnows again and try to keep plenty to eat in there for them. But their recommendation was 9 brim to 1 largemouth bass. And so Kristin asked the fish guy there, she asked him a few questions, so it'll be included in that. But anyway, we had a few fish in here already before we put these in, so they're starting to grow. So we're gonna try a little different method to fish them tonight and see if we can catch one.
So Travis is gone out of town, and what a convenient time, because he decided to stock the pond while he was gone, or the fish person is coming to town. So guess who is in charge of stocking the pond? You're looking at her. Anyway, this should be interesting. This may not be YouTube worthy, but I would say if it's not that great, then the next time Travis has a big project in mind, he will not go out of town. Hopefully, I'm going to get Brantley from school today, and hopefully he and I can figure out how to put these fish in the pond, and they will still be alive when Travis gets home. Anyway, I will keep you posted on how it goes. What company are you with?
Fish Wagon.
Okay, and where are you based out of?
Harrisburg, Arkansas.
Okay, what kind of area do you cover?
We cover just about everything from Austin, Texas, up by Washington, D.C.
Okay. How many fish do you recommend based on size of the pond? Our pond is 1/4 of an acre.
We recommend about 1,200 fish per acre.
Okay. And how long do you have before you need to put them in the pond? Once I get them from you, how long do I have?
1 hour.
1 hour, okay. And how do you transfer the fish into the pond? How do you transfer the fish into the pond?
Add water from the pond to the bag continuously, a cup at a time. Just continuously add water for about 5 minutes and turn them loose.
Okay. How often do you recommend adding minnows for feeding?
Yearly.
Okay. How many times a year?
3 to 4 times a year.
3 to 4 times a year. And what about we had bought some fish food, just the bag fish food. How often should we add that to the pond or feed?
And if you feed it at least 3 times a week.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you. I appreciate your time.
No problem.
All right. We have made it to the pond with the fish. I went and got Brantley out of school early.
Okay.
Just so he could help, and then I got Reed out of school early so he could help. By the way, Travis owes me big time. As a token of your appreciation for me doing this, I would appreciate all of our YouTube viewers to please comment on what a great job I did and what a wonderful wife I am. And go ahead and click subscribe just for me. Per the Fish Wagon crew, we are supposed to continually add water to these bags for 5 minutes. So Brantley's going to be the water boy. We just happen to have a McDonald's cup in the car. So he's going to add water and I will time it. Okay, let's put it down here. Oh shoot. Well, hopefully they'll be revived. Okay.
Well, I think this 2 of them.
I have no idea what fish. Brantley, do you know what fish you've got in that bag?
I've got the bluegill, you got the fathead minnows.
Brantley, wait, Reed. No, we gotta keep that in water. Watch out, Reed.
Alright, these are the little grass carp in here. They're lively bunch. Fathead minnows in there. Oh, the orange.
These bags are getting heavy.
Did we try to get that orange one?
Nope, let's just leave them.
Can I get that orange one? Alright. Here go the bluegill. Oh, there's some. Whoa!
Oh, yeah, there's definitely a dead one.
Here goes the minnows. Oh, minnows. All right, here goes the grass carp. Your grassy carpy.
Down, carp, to your new home. Well, that was a successful transplant. All right, I just want to say that was a successful mission for me here, and if you would, please comment to Travis on what a great job I did with transplanting all these fish. Sean, I'm counting on you to send me some good vibes. I didn't even roll my eyes at Travis this time, although I probably was behind these sunglasses.
Whoa!
But anyway, thanks for watching our video, and remember, you'll never do unless you try.
Catch you on the next one.
Good luck trying.
Well, after that little expedition, my wife instructed me that I could no longer go out of town when fish are going to be delivered. So, but anyway, they got them in here, so let's see if we can catch fish. All right, Reed, what are we gonna fish with today?
A drone.
A drone. All right, we're gonna use the old Phantom here, and we've got us some line tied onto the bottom, and we've give ourselves probably about 20 foot there to try to fish with. So we've got a floater on there, so we're gonna fly it out there, put us a worm on it, drop it in the water, see if we can land one. All right, Brantley's gonna be the pilot. We've got our fishing line. We're tied into this corner and to this corner. And then we've got our line here with a floater on it and our worm ready to go. All right, Brantley, let's fire it up. We're gonna take it down on the end and we'll spin that camera down and we'll get a little video action from the drone. See if you'll crank. All right, the pilot don't know how to crank it. All right, take it straight up, Brantley. Just ease it up about this high. Take it. Okay, we got our worm going into the sky.
All right. So far, no luck. There went the drone.
Well, the old drone here, it's an old one, and it's been having some problems here with the compass errors, and so it sort of got wild on me there, and needless to say, she's went in the pond. But I will say, it's still blinking. Bring it on up here, Brantley. She's a little confused.
Now that might be a good video. She's still blinking. Nope, needless to say, we didn't catch a fish.
Well, we struck out on the fishing, but I will tell you, the pond caught a drone. But our demise was when it took off on its own. Her hook hung in the bush here, and so needless to say, I can't recover. Well, needless to say, the old drone fishing didn't go as planned. I've had this one for a long time, and it's been a good drone, but the compass and everything would be mid-flight, and then it'd lose track, and then it'd take off, and so it could have been my fault. But anyway, I think she's flown her last flight. We'll try to dry it out and see if we can get it to come back on. But I will say we got fish in the pond, and so these boys, I think, going to try the traditional method, see if they can catch one with a pole. But if you watch this catastrophe, I appreciate it. And hey, we'll catch you on another one. Well, I think Brantley has said we're going to stick to traditional fishing. Brantley, I think the pole worked a little better, don't you?
Yeah.
But hey, I will tell you, these little bluegill just showed up in here. They're starting to grow. So we're gonna stick with the rod and reel, but I got a feeling we'll try the old drone fishing again before it's over.